That's the one that Aussie just picked. Pick another one. 3. What does it say? It says your bum's does it? Your bum's Guys, it literally just clicked to me that tomorrow is Aussie's 30th birthday, which just changes the ball game a lot.
Our kids ended up making our own end of year movie, so I was like, oh, it should be hard. And then put welcome to children's ministry, offering time, this time, that time. Anyway, and then it turned out harder.
Morning, guys. Sunday morning, and it's not even 7 o'clock yet. And I woke up to a call from Molly at 6:14 exactly. And I was like, oh my gosh, something happened to my mom. I thought something happened at home. So I was like, hello? And she's like, Vicky, it's urgent. And I'm like, oh my gosh. She's like, well, it's not urgent. Can I come over and use your editing software? I'm like, yeah, okay then.
It was urgent. Listen, every Sunday you need to make sure you get to the word. And these children, right now, through this epidemic moment, we need to make sure that children get the word of God. And that was the emergency. Victoria. Yeah, well,
mine are a bit. So we're still doing this thing, right? Getting hungry.
Yeah, you got to until you do this.
Hurry up, hurry, hurry. Hurry up, hurry, hurry. Finally finished, guys. Final result is on TV. We're watching it right now. We ran around and dropped off the kids' packs to them so they can also have some church as well. Now I've got some porridge cooking on the stove.
3 hours later.
I'm finally home now, right? So we went to go and we had to go and pick up one of her friend's bed base and a lounge set. And I forgot you guys at home. I really wanted to vlog it because it was hilarious. If you guys seen the way we had to improvise, then you would know. It really did not fit, and I was just like praying the whole way that it just would not fall down, and it didn't. In the end, I really enjoyed it. Oh, I've got my fireplace going on in the back there. Hope you guys don't mind a little bit of fire. But we're finally home. The cake that I baked last night is still sitting there. So I just went and bought some fresh cream and some strawberries to put it on my cake. And I'm also about to get lunch into the oven as well, a late lunch because it's about 2-ish. Aussie's just walked outside to wash our cars, but he's refusing to clean inside my car, which I'm pretty angry at him about. All he cares about is his own car, the stinky butt. So I got my strawberries here, chicken marinated there. My arms are seriously like jello. I completely overestimated myself. I'm gonna get this whipped up, guys, and I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, guys, so my cake is all wrapped up. I got half of the brownie left from last night, which I'm taking to my parents. But I'm about to have some lunch now. I haven't eaten since the porridge. That was like 6 hours ago. So I can get my potassium in, my fiber with my leafy greens. Don't mind Aussie, he's just having a seizure. Okay, guys. Bon appetit, merci. Eben, come look at what I baked. Wash your hands.
I want to hand.
Yeah, sit down, darling. Sit down. What's that?
It's a cupcake.
It's a what?
It's a cupcake.
A cupcake. I didn't put that many strawberries on the top because there's strawberries in the middle. I sliced the cake in half. Oh, darling, what are you doing?
Oh, I don't know.
Where's your mum?
I don't know.
Where's dad?
I don't know.
Are you going to school? Are you going? Don't! Do not. Do not do that, okay?
Okay. Dana, is Dana book?
Yeah, just leave it here. You don't mess it up, okay?
Nice baking.
Thank you, Amaziah. Tell them something nice about your Auntie Victoria.
She's kind and she's a YouTuber. She does funny videos.
Oh, cutie bum bum.
And every Sunday I come to her house.
Yep.
And Aussie is good because he says yes all the time.
He always says to me, Aussie always says yes and you always say no. Mummy, what do you think about the cake?
Nice.
Well, okay, don't sound convincing. Oss? Dad's yet to taste?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe next week.
Evan, come here. Tell everyone what did you think about the cake? Because he was going to eat it all.
Yeah, because he's gonna eat it all.
Aussie, pick a colour. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Pick a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick a number. 8. Aww. It says your butt stinks. It says you're my best friend. That's the one that Aussie just picked. Pick another one. 3. What does it say? It says your bum.
It doesn't. What does it say?
Your bum smell.
Ready? Choose color. G-R-E-E-N.
Wow.
3. Your bum smell. What damn, boy?
That's what you get, Molly. Morning, guys. It's Monday and I'm about to start work in about 15 minutes. But I woke up this morning feeling really under the weather. After yesterday, moving all of that furniture, my arms are so sore. I feel like I've been hit by a truck. So this morning I woke up and I had a teaspoon of Lipomol C and also a cup of apple cider vinegar because I always find that that usually really just kicks any kind of ill, sick feeling symptoms in the bud and just cancels it completely. I've also got a 2-litre jug of lemon water, so I've just sliced some lemons and I've chucked them in there as well. And I'm going to be sipping on that throughout the day. My throat, guys, I do not have corona. Okay, so just get that out of your head. But I feel like I've got a head cold. But I'm about to sign in for work. Aussie is at work. And I'll see you guys on my break. I hope you guys are liking these daily quarantine vlogs with us. Even though we're not doing much, let us know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying it or if we should just stop and wait until we actually do something interesting. We would really appreciate that feedback. But I'm going to get... just holding this camera is like really aching. Oh my gosh, I have to hold my arm up. I'm going to get... started into work and I'll see you guys on my lunch break. Aussie's gone to work. He left at around 6, I think, and I woke up at around 5:30. I just feel like this daylight savings has my sleeping pattern so out of whack. We've been really busy at work with everything going on with the coronavirus and jobs and businesses shutting down. Everyone's losing work, so they're obviously going on Centrelink, and so the departments had to recruit thousands of people to meet that demand. Crazy busy at work, and I hope you guys have been liking these chilled out home vlogs. Working from home has got me hella lazy. Like, I'm always tired and I'm getting so lazy and so chubbier. I'm trying not to eat as much, to be honest. I'm very conscious of what I'm eating because I know that I'm not doing much exercise at all. So I'm mostly intermittent fasting, even though I'm not breaking my fast with a healthy meal. I try to make it as healthy as possible with a salad and all. So an update with my console lid because some of you guys wanted to know. So a very, very helpful subscriber reached out to us, and I assume that person was a mechanic because they were telling us that they would have had to adjust or touch the handbrake cables, which is generally located underneath the console or near the console. And I called the lady and I tried to tell her this. Like, she's like, no, that's not true. Who told you that? That's definitely not true. We did not, nothing was touched inside the car. There is no reason for us to open anything inside the car. Thing is that when we left, before even knowing what was done to the car, I remember Aussie looking at me when we drove off. He put the handbrake down. He was like, the handbrake feels so weird. And I said, what do you mean? And he says, it's so stiff. And what I want to know, which I didn't ask and I probably should ask, is why are they even adjusting the handbrake? We've only had the car for a month. What adjustment do you need to do? I don't understand. Why did you have to touch that? The car has been used less than 4 weeks at the time of that service. So sa si rienga o e just like o muri pe pipiro. That day she told me it's not covered under warranty when she gave me the quote for a new lid console. And then when I called yesterday, I said, what's the go with it? She said, oh, the service manager said that he's just gonna put in a request for warranty to see if it's covered under warranty. And I said, you already told me it's not covered under warranty, so why are we wasting our time? I know that it's gonna come back rejected because that's what you told me. These types of things are not covered under warranty. And she said, well, because the service manager is doing it himself. And I said, yeah, and what? So the service manager is doing it himself. Is that is stupid, and it's showing a flaw in the system if it comes back approved. So because the service manager did it, that has some weight to it? No. If it's covered in warranty, it's covered in warranty. If it's not covered in warranty, it's not covered in warranty. Like, I know it's going to come back in my favor if it is covered, but that is just so... Anyways, so I said to her, you're just trying to shut me up for 14 days so you guys can keep going on. And I said, and if it comes back rejected, I will keep going because I believe 100% that it was not us. And because that person reached out to us through Instagram, it has made me believe even more. Oh my God, I've been talking for 10 minutes. Okay, you probably didn't see the whole 10 minutes of it, but damn. So I'm probably going to log on to work now. I don't start for another 20 minutes, but thank you so much for watching my vlogs and for commenting. I know that it can be really annoying when, you know, one of your favorite YouTubers that you watch aren't consistent, and then you just feel like, oh, I don't want to support them anymore because they're not consistent. I feel like that too with people that I watch. So I totally get it, but I'm asking you guys just to bear with us. I mean, we're not full-time vloggers. We actually have full-time jobs. Aussie's still working during this time, which I'm very grateful for because many people don't. We are both very blessed that we can work from home and he still has his job. But I'm just asking you guys, please bear with us. Like, we work full-time. Aussie does overtime most of the time. He works every Saturday. It's only now since the pandemic that he's not been working. So he works 6 days a week, 10-hour days, maybe 12-hour days sometimes. And me, we're flat out like, please do forgive us. And a lot of you guys who are giving us criticism, like, give us criticism and tell us what you want to see. Don't just give us the criticism. Don't just say, oh, it's boring now, or oh, vlogs are too short. Well, hey, how about give us a solution rather than just a complaint, please? That is just my only request from you guys, is just let us know what you guys want to do. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. So today is the 9th of April and Aussie's birthday is tomorrow on the 10th of April. I did remember his birthday, but I kind of forgot today. And Aussie was surprised because when he went into work today, they had a cake for him. And so he calls me saying, oh, they've got a cake for me. And I'm like, oh crap, yeah, it's tomorrow. And because we have been flat out busy with work, I haven't had time to go to the shop. So today I've organized an hour lunch break and I'm going to go and pick something up for him so that he actually has something to open on his birthday. I mean, I know that the car is his gift as well, but I just did my hair up because it was annoying. I want him to open something up on his actual birthday. And so I'm gonna rush over to the shops and get some more little things to bake a cake for him tonight because I want to put some effort into it just to make him feel that little bit more special. I've prepared a few things. You guys will come along with me, and obviously by the time you see this, he would have already known what his gift is anyways. I also gave him the option of bai or a cake, and he said he wants me to bake a cake like the one that I gave my parents. So alright guys, I'm about to leave now. It's now my lunch break. I'm just looking for my other shoe. So I decided to go with some cologne, which I've organized for them already to put aside for me. And I was also going to get him a shirt maybe, because I know that there's a men's store there. He's gonna be home any minute now, so I've got to quickly rush off. Some would say we're too old to be doing this, you know, sneaking around, surprising each other. But hey, I live for those small romantic things. I love it. Let me drive, guys. It is not safe to vlog and drive. I'm wondering what the heck is going on. All these kids are standing on the corner of the street with these Easter egg baskets, like everywhere, just waiting for something to pass. Look at this old lady, even she's standing there. Oh, she's got a daughter there. Guys, so I've just picked up the first gift and it looks like everything here is pretty much closed, and the men's store that I thought was there has actually closed down now, so I can't get anything. The jewelry store is closed. I'm hoping that Big W will be open, so let's go and see if they've got anything to offer. Closed. What do you guys think? Should I get Aussie a cooking appliance? Maybe he can stop demanding me to cook every time. Or maybe an iron. I saw someone over here walking around with toilet paper, so I'm on the hunt to try and get myself some toilet paper as well, because we're running out. Found one! We would like to go fishing in future. Something that I would really like to do. Or maybe a ball. Oh my god, it's his 30th. Guys, it literally just clicked to me that tomorrow is Ossie's 30th birthday, which just changes the ball game a lot. Well, not too much because he's already got the car, so that was another reason why we did get the car. But for some reason, I just like kind of forgot that it was his 30th. I gotta organize some balloons and get some stuff together. I need to try and make this as special as possible, and I'm just going to get some candles as well. Darling, I can't believe it's your 30th. I'm going to get some nice, elegant candles for you. Are there any other ones, like seriously? Or should I get this one? This one might be nicer. I don't know, are these even healthy? Because you know how the things like flick off onto the cake? I'll just stick to the other ones. I'm gonna get this one for you. You're gonna have to wear that tomorrow. I'm gonna get the blue ones. Hello.
Hi, how you going?
Are you guys open tomorrow?
No.
Oh, do you know how long it would take to blow up these two?
So I can blow them up now. They last about 5 days, so if you need them for the weekend.
Okay, cool. So I picked up this. You guys will probably see it anyways when you're watching this vlog, because the speakers that we use is the Sony ones that we got from Singapore, if you guys have been watching us for that long, and they look like they've been to and back. He's always complaining about his mic and whatnot, so I wanted to get him something, and he spent so much of his time on it, so got to make sure those ears are looked after. Toilet paper's gone already. Alright guys, so I was in and out within about 30-ish minutes. I'm about to go home now. I know I said I wasn't going to get him anything, but I just thought it's nice for somebody to open up a present on their actual birthday. So I did spend a couple $100 on him today, but he deserves it, you know, he's such a good man. Ossie, you are such a great husband. I'm so grateful for you. Even the times where I don't show it, I don't say I love you. My voice is already shaking. This is not supposed to be emotional. Even the times where I don't show it and I don't say I love you all the time, I don't show appreciation for all that you do and all that you are in my life. I really do want you to know that I love you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much, honey, and you deserve everything and more. And I hope that I meet the vision of the wife that you wanted to have growing up. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I'm going to go to the store later tonight and get things for his cake. His cake he already knows that I'm about to make, so I don't need to keep that a secret, but I really want to hide the balloons because I don't even think he realizes he's 30. Does he realize that he's turning 30 tomorrow?
I don't know.
He's no longer going to be in the 20s. I met Ossie when he was 24. He had just turned 24. That is crazy.